into this life. Some rain must fall, but too much is falling. Too much is falling in mine. So, classic from the Ink Spots, brilliant song. They do it with Ella Fitzgerald as well, it's lovely. So and it plays really nice on guitar. So let's have a quick run through the chords first, and then we'll come back, run through the chords, look at the structure, then we'll come back and detail and finesse. So, kicks off in F, and then it's going to move to C, that's first time round. Then it moves to G6, minor 6, and then it comes down to 7 and 9, and then back to F. And then you've got to turn around. A7, A minor 6, minor chord, minor 6. I'll show you the details of the minor 6 in a minute when we get into it. Down to the 7, 9 again, and then resolve, well, half for resolving, into the G7, and then back to the C, da 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 da, into each line, back to the F, some rain must fall, D7 and 9, but to G minor 7, much is falling, C7 and 9, in mine. So, moves from the F, that's simple enough. Swing beat, kind of slow swing beat ideally. I play it swing and I do it bossa style as well, which is nice in a Latin style. But anyway, we might get to that later. So F, and then it moves into C7, which you should know. Now, let me show you the 7 and 9 right away. So the 7 and 9 is that, which basically means, if you don't know much about chords, it means that that's the 1 there, that's the C, that's giving you the C7. That's also the same note there, which means it's the 8th note, A, B, C, D, E, F, to the 7th. That's the first repeat, which means it's the 8th, which means that's the 9th. So when you go to 7 and 9, that's what you get there. It's a really nice jazz chord actually, and it means you move between the two. So as you move down, you go, and someday the sun will shine. So yeah, you can move between them, and I'll show you the detail of where you do it. So you go to that, so they're interchangeable in jazz. Nice chords. And the next chord you come up to is so it's up to into each heart, some rain must. And that's going to go down to back to the C7 9 again. Now that is a G minor 6. If you don't know it, if you've not come across it, it's a gypsy jazz chord. Well, we certainly use it a lot in gypsy because I play gypsy. And so it's your minor chord, so your G minor, but you're coming back here and picking up the 6th note to make it into a minor 6, and you blank out the 5th string, which is what we do in gypsy quite a bit. You take the 5th out there, which is also the 5th note of the chord. So you take that out, so you've got your minor 6 there. You can do it, which allows you to slide up, but just learn to play it like that, with the 2 fingers on there, like that. It's simple, pretty simple, and it allows you to move into the 7 and 9 by just moving 1 finger. Also allows you to move into the minor 7. It's a great little chord, so you can move around really easily. So, into this life, some rain must fall. Too much is falling in mine. And you switch over to the C there. And that's into this life. So that's the G minor 6. Into heart, rather. Don't listen to me for lyrics. But someday the sun will shine. Back to F. And I'll show you the turnaround now. So the turnaround is this. It says boom, 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 boom. You can also play it descending and go here and go. This is classic equal spots, of course. It's almost in every equal spots song you ever heard. So what's that going on? So you got your F, and then it's coming to what's called diminished chord. So you got, I think this is half diminished, no, fully diminished, this one, which means you got this first finger on that string, first fret. This finger's going on there, and this one's going on the top. Hopefully you got that there. Okay, in that and in there, and then you're kind of barring these really. Although you're only going to play the top 4 strings, so it doesn't matter too much. But technically, this one's being played as well. This one wants to be blanked out. The bottom wants to be blanked out. But you're only playing the bass string, so it doesn't matter. So you go there, and then this slides up, and that is the -7. You might know like that, the G -7, but again in Gypsy, we take out the 5th string, makes it easier to play as well. You get that, which then resolves into the C7 and 9, which you already know. So it's if you want to do it coming down, it's this is actually an F as well. So it's F there, but it's an F with the A in the bass. So you're going to do that very quickly. That's into the diminished again, and then the rest is the same. So there, F with the G in the bass, A in the bass, sorry, down to sharp diminished, -7, 7 and 9. So there you turn around. Which you can use to begin the song, or end it, or any time in the middle that you fancy. So they're nice little fillers, really. Give you a chance to catch your breath if you're singing high and low, which I like to do. So they've done that, bum 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 bum, and then it goes, yeah. I apologise, my guitar has no markings for the frets, they're on the top, so I apologise you can't see them. But this is A7, of course, so it's an A on the 5th fret, take off a little finger, you've got the A7. Some folks will lose the blues in their hearts, but when I think of you, another shower starts. So that's the descend. So it's A7, then it's A -6. So remember the minor again, but the -6, which we're playing down here, G -6. So we're up here playing the A -6. And it drops into the 7 and 9, D7 and 9, and back to the G7. And then C7 and 9, and back to F. So just very quickly again. So it's going. And then back to into this life. Some rain must D7 9. But too much is falling in mine. So yeah, into this life, some rain must fall. So you go up to the D7 and 9 this time. Then it's to the G -7. Played this way this time. You can play it like that, like we did before. It's nice to have a bit of variation here. Play like that. Too much is falling. C7 9 in mine in the F, but you play this just like I did at the beginning. You do this descent movement up here. I'll show you. Too much is falling. Too much is falling in mine. That's up at the end, but yeah. So. Too much is falling. Just move it all up to the A minor 7 now. Too much. D7 and 9. It just really works, I think, as an ending. Too much is falling in mine. And for the ending, if you want to do that one, is you can go do the turnaround. Or go. So that's just F, G minor 6, back to F, E, F, F, G minor 6, F, E, F. So, should we string it all together and have a play for it? So, here we go, F. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll count myself in a second. Into this life, some rain must fall, but too much is falling in mine, see? And into this heart, some tears must fall, but someday the sun will shine. Turn around. A7, some folks will lose the blues. A minor 6 in their heart, but when I down to the 7, 9, and then to when I think of you, G minor 7, G7. Another shower starts, C7, 9. Back to F, into this life, some rain, D7, 9, it's fall. G minor 7 is falling, D, C7, 9 in mine. Turn around. Let's do it deep voice this time. So let it go. And into each life, some tears, they're gonna fall. But too many of those tears is falling in mine. And into each and every heart, some tears is gonna fall, but someday that sun is gonna shine. Some folks will lose the blues in their hearts, but when I think of you, another shower starts. Into this life, some rain must fall, but too much is falling. We'll do that. Too much is falling in mine. So there you have it, Ink Spots. Yeah, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more stuff. And yeah, if you like it, and leave a comment. Any questions? I'll be happy to go. Okay, happy.